Hey boys and girls, we're in the shop. I guess this is going to be part 2 of the prep for the windows, which I'm really looking forward to, and then I'm going to be able to carry on with the interior on the 1981 Z28. So I'm going to flip you around and just show you what I'm up to, show you where I finished off the other night there. The other night I was doing a little bit of spraying with the rattle can there, primer, paint, what have you, and to get some seal again on my window jambs. They're pretty rusty and crusty, so now they look good. Anyway, here we go. Okay, so I was playing around at the front window here, and you can see now that I got this all uncovered. I have my dash all painted nice flat black, and the satin for everything else, and the fender well, inside fenders and cowl and all that. I got some ugliness yet on my fenders over here, what have you going on, but don't care. Anyway, so I'm gonna get the windshield put in there. I've got the new trim clips and everything I installed last night with my plastic tools as not to scrape anything up. And yeah, not much else there. I'm gonna leave the rest of this cowl stuff until after I get it back from the window shop. So hopefully that all goes well. So this Friday, actually, we got the Thursday off, I guess, for Remembrance Day. And then Friday, I'm gonna bring it down and put it on my trailer over there and get the glass in here. So tonight my project's been a couple small things. I quickly bolted my tail feathers back on, and yeah, we'll call them tail feathers. It's not a chicken, this one, but it's Camaro. But anyway, I put in some Rockford Fosgate 6x9s, put in the new El Cheapo package tray there. That's got the Dynamat under it, so I don't know. I hope it doesn't vibrate. It's kind of sounding like it's going to. Who knows? Might have to do something, push some foam up underneath, or do some sealant along this edge, something to prevent it from rattling at all. I don't know. We'll see once we pump the stereo. Anyway, I use some Super 77. Oh, we're dropping everything. Super 77, yeah, 3M. It's great shit for all kinds of stuff, sticking carpet, sticking upholstery. Many of you probably know that, I'm sure, but anyway, so I've tagged all that that vinyl wrap down there, so my back seat and my side pieces, back seat, all this stuff is ready really to go in. I do need a headliner in the car, so that's kind of a hold up. Right now. They're available. It's just, you know, where I am and where they're available, and the shipping to get that size of package in between is a bit retarded, so not sure what I'm doing yet, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, so these 6x9s, they were kind of fun to put in, actually. I don't know if this is typical because I haven't done this for years. Put down that paper. So under the speaker, like the speakers are mounted below the deck. These are on top, and you just got those little, so you got these long metal screws, and you got the little metal tab that goes underneath, you know, that you'd maybe slip onto a piece of tin or something, but it doesn't slip on the speakers. You just kind of have to use it like a nut on the back side, from what I figured out in my application at least. So that's what I did. So I popped some holes in there. Wasn't the easiest thing. Marked it all from below, put the package tray and got below with felt pen, marked it on the bottom side, cut them out. I tried to touch up with a felt pen just around the edges there, so there wasn't any shitty looking edges showing up and stuff like that. So anyway, I'm almost ready for that. It fires like a bomb, no problem. So I'll be driving it onto the trailer. I should probably tighten up my wheels. I don't think they're tight, so I'll have to tighten them up and throw it on my completed trailer here. I've been mucking around with just a tiny bit, putting a little bit of fresh pinstripe here or there, you know. I don't know. Looks okay. Up around the fender, and I haven't decided yet what I'm doing back there, but anyway. We'll be hauling the car down to the glass shop on the newly refurbished car trailer. Exciting stuff. Yeah. Look around my messy shop. Okay, so anyone Z28 going to the glass shop Friday. So maybe after Friday we'll get some interior and things like that going on, and we'll have a look at that. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed, if you could, I appreciate it. If you do like the videos, you could show them to someone else. I'd appreciate that as well. And for now, take care. We'll see you next time.